Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe is a pickle, that too a non-veg, which is made out of beef. This is a tasty recipe which you will really enjoy with rice or even roti. So for this recipe I have used here 900 grams of beef, which is cut into small cubes. This is boneless. So the first step is to marinate the beef. For the marination, I'm going to crush some spices. Firstly, some rock salt, 5 cardamom, a small piece of cinnamon, 3 cloves, then around half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds, and then around 1 teaspoon of black pepper. After powdering the spices, transfer them onto a pressure cooker along with 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, then 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. Next, add the beef and marinate this all very well. Now this has to be pressure cooked. Before pressure cooking, try to close it with a lid so that the water starts to release, as we are not going to add any water. Now there is enough water released from the beef. Now close this and allow to pressure cook for at least 10 minutes. Not more than 10 minutes. That will be perfect for this beef. After the beef is done, you can see there is enough water released. This is around 3/4 cup of water. We'll be using this water later in this recipe. So firstly we need to fry the beef. For frying, onto a kadai, I am using here coconut oil. You can also use any type of oil. But if you're trying to store this pickle for a longer time, try avoiding coconut oil. You can also use gingerly oil or any type of vegetable oil. Now add the beef pieces alone and then fry until golden in color. This is how we want our beef to be fried. Next, we will be needing 1/4 cup each of ginger and garlic chopped, few curry leaves and green chili. Roughly chop the green chilies. Next, for the masala paste, onto a bowl add 2 teaspoons of spicy red chili powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Next we will be adding vinegar. So here I am adding 1/4 cup of vinegar in the beginning. Now we are going to mix this well and allow to rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So now all the ingredients are set. Let's start preparing the pickle. So I'm using the same oil which I have fried the beef. To this, if you need, you can add more oil. Here I'm adding around 2 tablespoons more. Next to this, add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, followed by the chopped ginger, garlic, green chili and curry leaves. Now we have to fry this until slightly crisp and golden in color. Now this is perfectly fried. Next to this, we are going to add the paste of vinegar and the red chilies. Try keeping the flame low while adding this paste and cook this for at least 5 to 10 minutes until all the raw flavors get completely cooked. Now after 10 minutes of cooking, you can see the oil has started to separate and this is perfect. Next to this, we are going to add the stock of the beef which we have already kept aside. So here I have added almost 3/4 cup of the stock. Now we have to allow the stock to boil well. In between you can check for the salt and add if needed. If you need more vinegar, you can add more. Here I am going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons more of vinegar, but at a later stage. Now the gravy is thick and the stock is well boiled. Now next we can add the fried beef. After adding the beef to the gravy and mixing well, allow this to cook for minimum of 10 minutes. In between you can give a good stir. So here after mixing I felt the vinegar was less, so I am adding here around 3 to 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Now the pickle is almost ready. Finally we are going to add here asafoetida, that's around 1/4 teaspoon. So the tasty and mouth-watering beef pickle is ready here. If you are a beef lover, you should definitely give this a try. Instead of making the pickle with more gravy, I prefer to make it this way.